Hello and welcome. Now we are now in the dashboard area of our WordPress installation, and we are now going to install the WordPress plugin S2 member. And so in order to do that, we're just going to go to the plugins area. We're going to click add new, and then we're going to click upload plugin. And in order to do this, we're going to go and grab that file from our hard drive. Okay, once we have that file, what we can do is just click the install now button. And then you'll notice the message from WordPress saying that the plugin has been installed successfully. You'll want to click Activate Plugin. Once you've done that, you should see the S2 member framework inside of your WordPress installation. Now, of course, you can install in the way that we suggested in the other video that we talked about getting S2 member. In that particular case, you would go to Add a new plugin, and then you would type in the search plugins area S2 member. When you do that, you're actually going to search, and you'll see the S2 member framework probably in the top left-hand corner. Now, you'll get the opportunity to click the install button from there. Now, ours won't show because we've actually already installed the plugin. But if you'd like to do it that way, you can certainly do it that way. Either way gets the plugin onto your site and makes it ready to be used. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.